Hi everyone, I'm Alice. Welcome to Tanio TV. Today we are going to be doing some flower weaving. So to make flower frames, we have two versions. The easy version is with just cut out a cardboard square or rectangle, and using scissors you cut just about an inch in all the way round. And then you get some string and you weave the string quite tightly, so tie it at the back and then weave from side to side, up and down, going all the way around the frame, so the string is going across the cardboard. Now when you've got a nice frame ready, you need to collect some items such as flowers. I've used leaves, I've used ferns. And then you can either do it going in one direction and weave all these in through the strings, or you can do it in a random order. Both looks nice. Then there is a harder version, and Emma has done this with her stars, where you get sticks of equal thickness and size and you join them. So if you want to do a square flower frame, you get 4 sticks exactly the same length and you tie them with string at the 4 joins. Then you get your string, just tie it to one of the joins and then tie it round the frames, and again then you've got your flowers, your leaves, your ferns, whatever you want to weave in it, and weave it in whatever pattern you want. It looks really pretty. And you can, with these ones as well, tie another piece of string from one join to the other and hang it somewhere.